The race on. Kapitbahay jumps quick out of the gate and rushing up from the outside. Express Strike running by the Real Precious, running in for 2AO somebody Laptop, while Silver Chocho is the early trailer going along for the first turn. Real Precious is running by the rail. On the outside, the favorite Kapitbahay racing in third by some 4 lengths. Laptop, Express Strike racing in fifth, entering number 2AO somebody, and Silver Chocho still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Real Precious running by the rail. Kapitbahay pressing up from the outside, getting closer in third by some 2 lengths. Laptop, and running in fourth by some 5 lengths. Express Strike, Oh somebody, and Silver Chocho. It's now Kapitbahay leads by a neck, followed by Real Precious, and moving up from the outside is Laptop. Rounding the far turn, Kapitbahay, Real Precious, Laptop rushing up from the outside. Rounding the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Laptop. Laptop by a length, followed by Kapitbahay, and running by the Real Precious, getting closer in for this Oh somebody as the race the final corner. Laptop leads by 2 lengths, followed by Kapitbahay, running by the Real Precious and Oh somebody. It's a Laptop followed by Kapitbahay and Oh somebody's on the outside. It's a Laptop and Oh somebody, but still Laptop and Oh somebody, and finally number 4, Laptop, Oh somebody, Kapitbahay, Real Precious.
72.40.
Kalain mo 40 pa win nun, 550 sa place, at yun daw sa man, 6 na piso for placing.
Extra double 1,451 pesos. Congratulations to Miss Baby Trinidad, Edwin Oro.